Welcome to this tutorial on how to add the chat and content generator to your WordPress website for free. With the help of the AI Engine plugin, you can easily integrate the powerful capabilities of chat into your website without any coding or technical skills. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of adding chat to your website, enabling you to engage with your audience in a more interactive and personalized way. So, let's get started. The initial step is to obtain a free API key, and then proceed to insert it into the plugin settings. If you want to change the appearance of your chat box, you can easily do it from the Chatbot Builder settings. And if you want to enable the option of injecting the default chatbot throughout your entire website, just make sure to check that box. It's a simple process and can really enhance your user experience. The AI Engine or Content Generator is an incredible tool that can automatically generate high-quality articles on any topic you choose. All you have to do is provide the topic, and the AI Engine will take care of the rest. The best part is that the articles are written in a conversational tone, making them easy to read and understand. The AI Engine will do the heavy lifting, and you'll have a well-written article at your fingertips in no time. You might be surprised by the results. Thanks for watching this WordPress tutorial for beginners. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.